What is up? My name is Cameron Stewart with SolarEdge Technologies here, and today we are doing another Aurora video, and I get a lot of questions about managing my Aurora database for SolarEdge products. So as you guys know, SolarEdge changes our part numbers to adapt to changing conditions. The most notable is our domestic content. So what does domestic content mean? It means that SolarEdge is manufacturing our inverters in North America. So we manufacture in Texas, our inverters in Texas, and our power optimizers are now manufactured in Florida. Now there's a lot of companies, if you're using a TPO, that require you to put the domestic content moniker and make sure you include that with your Aurora design and proposal. And then of course, if you're selling our domestic content inverters or made in America inverters, you want to make sure your database is the most up-to-date that it can get. So how do we do that? Well, it's pretty simple. In Aurora, once you've logged in, you're just going to go to the database symbol right here on the left-hand side of your toolbar. And let's start with our inverters. So if you just were to select inverters and you were to put in SolarEdge, there are a lot of SolarEdge inverters. Just like Aurora, SolarEdge is a global company. So we have inverters that are not only manufactured in the US or to be deployed in the US, but other places around the world. So if you were to go through it this way, it could be kind of hard. The thing that I want you to remember is Aurora started putting the 2024 moniker at the end of the part number. And that just tells you it's kind of the most up-to-date product. So like our inverters made this year, they're all 11.4 kilowatts. In backup. That's again part of our domestic content. But if you're specifically wanting the USA inverters, just hit a space and type in USA. So the Aurora search tool will limit the search to only SolarEdge inverters that have USA. And you can see right here, USA. So of course, to just enable those in your database, you got to hit the toggle switch and turn those inverters on. So I can see these home hub inverters here. I can turn those on as well. The upgrade installations, that's for the re-energize program. So if you're upgrading inverters and you're utilizing re-energize, that's how you can kind of make a pricing distinction between these inverters and these inverters. These would be like new direct customer. And then for optimizers, same thing. So if we go to our optimizer section and we search SolarEdge, we'll see all of the SolarEdge optimizers. We don't have USA, but we do have just the letter U, and that gives us the domestic content optimizer. So next year, we're going to have the U650X, and so you'll want to make sure you enable that optimizer as well. That's just the X means it allows extra voltage, and it is you can do fewer optimizers in a string. That's the only difference. But for right now, we see the U650, and it's based on the S650C platform. It's the exact same thing. The only thing different is the U, which means it's manufactured in the United States of America, USA. So thank you very much. This was a quick optimization on your database. My name is Cameron Stewart. Stay sunny, stay optimized.